Alright, this is the old one. There's a screw right there. It's not easy to reach. You have to lose this battery cable. You have to lose a little bit this and stick your, it's right there. Stick this thing right there. And so you can take this out, and then you can take this screw, two of them, and this one is connect to air filter right there. There you go, we get it out. Alright, put everything in there and then connect that thing, because the battery is out of power. I need to use a jump cable and then to reprogram this thing. This thing I ordered from dealer. It was 800 something, so forget about it. I get this one from eBay, $200. It was 16,000 miles compared to my 170,000 miles. That is a good one and good price. Alright, almost there. 2, 1, 0. Okay, we are going to disconnect the wire right here, and then turn it off. I've never been so scared. Oh, after all this shit going on right here. Let's try this. I've never been so scared. My God, it's not working.